So we are here in the border of Surrey with Langley, and these people are going to be doing a brand new deck, so we have to tear the old one down. So I'm going to be doing some demolition here on this deck. Still really nice deck, I mean, but I guess they want something bigger or something different. The wood still really good. So I'm gonna be here most of the day. The deck is still, half life. I don't see no rotten parts, but I mean, it's time for a different thing, I guess. They're doing some bunch of renovation on the outside. Okay, I'll try to remember to do the final. I always forget. Okay, I'll see you later. Bye. This is CASTRO'S General Contracting, CGC 778-891-4017. Give us a call for all your contracting needs. We're based out of Surrey, BC, servicing the Lower Mainland for the last 12 years. Since 2004, so 11 years, something like that. Okay, thank you, bye bye.